Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your DOOGEE S80, at the first you have to open notification panel, then click and hold Wi-Fi icon and choose network. I'm going to connect with Zenfone 7 Pro. Input your currently password. Click connect. And as you can see right now, we successfully changed our network. And basically that's all. Right now I'm going to switch back for this GSM Center network. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.